Operation Crossroads was a pair of nuclear weapon tests conducted by the United States at Bikini Atoll in mid-1946. They were the first nuclear weapon tests since Trinity on July 16, 1945, and the first detonations of nuclear devices since the atomic bombing of Nagasaki on August 9, 1945. The purpose of the tests was to investigate the effect of nuclear weapons on warships. The Crossroads tests were the first of many nuclear tests held in the Marshall Islands and the first to be publicly announced beforehand and observed by an invited audience that included a large press corps. They were conducted by Joint Army or Navy Task Force 1, headed by Vice Admiral William H. P. Blandy, rather than by the Manhattan Project, which had developed nuclear weapons during World War II. A fleet of 95 target ships was assembled in Bikini Lagoon and hit with 2 detonations of Fat Man plutonium implosion-type nuclear weapons of the kind dropped on Nagasaki in 1945, each with a yield of 23 kilotons of TNT-96TJ. The first test, Able, the bomb was named Gilda after Rita Hayworthy's character in the 1946 film Gilda, and was dropped from the B-29 Superfortress Davies Dream of the 509th Bombardment Group on July 1, 1946. It detonated 520 feet 158 m above the target fleet and caused less than the expected amount of ship damage, because it missed its aim point by 2,130 feet 649 m. The second test, Baker, the bomb known as Helen of Bikini, was detonated 90 feet 27 m underwater on July 25, 1946. Radioactive sea spray caused extensive contamination. A third deep water test named Charlie was planned for 1947, but was cancelled primarily because of the United States Navy's inability to decontaminate the target ships after the Baker test. Ultimately, only 9 target ships were able to be scrapped rather than scuttled. Charlie was rescheduled as Operation Wigwam, a deep water shot conducted in 1955 off the coast of Mexico, Baja California.